Hi, welcome to our family time in the kitchen. Okay, today we're gonna make ackee and saltfish. It's fun for the whole family, not too spicy, it has a nice flavor. Normally, ackee is a breakfast food, but to me, it's so delicious we can have it at any time. I'm gonna show you how to prepare a delicious, hearty ackee and saltfish meal. Okay, get ready. Take notes because this is gonna be great, right? High five. Alright. Today we're gonna make ackee and saltfish. Ackee is a fruit from Ghana, originally originated from Ghana and was imported to Jamaica around the time of 1725. Saltfish or codfish was around the time in Jamaica, around when they were enslaved, it was considered a cheap form of protein that lasts very long because it was salted, so it wouldn't have to be refrigerated or anything like that. So it became a staple of the slaves. Now, here we prep everything for our ackee and saltfish dish. There's many ways to make ackee and saltfish dish, but there's different variation. We have chosen not to add any tomatoes. You're free to add tomatoes. Some people add bacon to it. We have different ways to cook it, but this is what we're gonna cook it with. Today we have garlic, thyme, we have red onions. You're free to use regular onions, no problem. We have scallion. We have red bell peppers. You could use red, green, yellow, whichever one you want to use. What I want to just show you is just the basis of making ackee and saltfish. So first, what we're going to do is prepare our saltfish. So I have it soaked in water here because, as the name suggests, saltfish is extremely salty. So we're going to boil this a couple times to get the extra salt off of it before we get it ready for the meal. So we're gonna boil it a couple times, get the salt off of it. We're gonna debone it, and we're gonna get it ready for our dish. Okay, now we have boiled our saltfish twice. We have deboned it. Like I said, it's an actual fish, so we took off the skin, we boiled it a couple times, wait till it cools down, then we debone it. Here we got our seasoning. We got black pepper, we got all-purpose seasoning. We're using grapeseed oil. We have onion powder, garlic powder here, and we have got our oil to heat up here to a medium. You can go medium to high. First, we're gonna add our vegetables. Get all the flavors mixed around here. Give it all that good aroma that you want. You just allow your vegetables to saute for a second. So now we have our vegetables sauteed here. Then we're gonna add our saltfish. So mix it in. Make sure it captures all of it, the aroma, the flavor. I want to capture everything inside. Now we're gonna add our seasoning. Evenly mix all around. I'm going to cover it up so everything. I'm going to turn it down. Now we have the saltfish sauteed with the vegetables. Wish you could smell this aroma. It's very, very good flavor coming off here. We'll add our ackee. thing, we mix it around. You want the flavors to penetrate the ackee. The good thing with this ackee, because it's imported, it comes pre-boiled, so it's kind of partially cooked when it gets here in the can. Now we're gonna add a little bit of water. Just a little bit of water. Now we have all that flavor mixed in from before with the vegetables, the seasoning, the saltfish. Now finally the ackee. I'm gonna cover this and let it sit for another 5 to 7 minutes. Welcome back. Now we have our finished product here. So we have ackee and saltfish with fried dumplings. Now, like I said, normally in Jamaica this is a breakfast meal. We eat with fried dumpling. You could eat with yam, banana, stuff like that. You could even eat it with rice. But tonight we've chosen to go with the fried dumpling. And I have my daughter here. She can't wait to take a bite. Absolutely. So we got a bite in here. This is the fried dumpling, and we mix it with a little bit of ackee here. Take a bite, see how it is. Delicious. Okay, that was a delicious bite. I'm gonna have my daughter here try a piece because kids never lie. Okay. It's delicious. If you like our video, please subscribe and thank you.